Hi guys, so today we are going to be creating our first Facebook advertisement. Now the Facebook advertisement we are going to be creating today is the one that takes customers directly from your Facebook to your WhatsApp. So this way you get to close more sales, you get to call the customer, or you get to explain, like you get to give the customer more information about the item you're selling, about the product you're selling. Now to start with, you want to go to your Play Store. You want to install Meta. You want to install Meta Ads Manager. So search for Meta Ads Manager. Click on it, install it. So after installing it, you have to log in your Facebook. So after logging in your Facebook, you open it. So now once you open your Meta for ads, it's going to appear this way. Now what we want to do is you want to make sure you check. You check to see that you are on the ad account that we have created earlier. If you're watching this video and you already have an ad account, you want to make sure you are on the right ad account. How do you check this? Let me quickly show you how. Check here. Okay, check here to make sure you are on the right ad account. Now, let me quickly say this. Don't use your personal account to create advertisement. If you use your personal ad account to create an advertisement, once you get banned or you have issues with Facebook, you may not or will not per se be able to run adverts on that Facebook account anymore. Okay, now your personal ad account is the ad account that comes with your personal Facebook account. So once a person opens a Facebook account, you are automatically going to have a personal ad account. So we don't want to use the personal ad account. That was the reason why we created a business manager account. And that was why on that business manager account, that was why we created the ad account. So you want to make sure you are on the ad account that we have created earlier. If you don't understand this, you may need to watch it again so that you can understand. Now, make sure you're on the ad account that we have created. Click on it. Now, to start with, we want to create our first campaign. Now, to create our first campaign, click on create. So once you click on create, click on messages right here. So now we are going to be adding our advertisement creative, our ad creative. So I already made a tutorial on how to create your image ad creative. Okay, let's say we want to use image. We don't want to use a video. So to add image, follow along. To add image, follow along. First, before you proceed, you want to make sure to check your ad format. Now, that place the arrow is pointing, you want to click on it. Now here it says select an ad format. Choose how you'd like your ad to look. Do you want a single image? Do you want to use a post? If you're going to use a post, it means you have to create a post. You have to already have a post on your Facebook page. Remember, we created a post when we created our Facebook page. You can, to use this post, just click on post. So apparently this account I'm using don't have a post on the page. So if you want to create a post, if you have not already created a post, just click on create post right here. Okay, but I'm not going to be creating a post because that's not our focus. Okay, so if you don't have a post, you can create one here. If you already have one on your page, just click on the post. So once you click on the post, you proceed. If not, we are going to be using the ad creative that I've designed. We're going to be using an ad creative, an image ad creative, the one I designed earlier. So now let's make sure we are on single image. Now let's upload an image. Click on add image right here. Click on add image right here. So now I'm going to have to upload an image. No, let's go to camera roll. So now let's upload an image. So here, so you're going to click on the your ad creative, the image that you have created. Click on it. So let's say we're going to be using this one. We're giving 20% discount on all purchases. Okay, so we're going to add it. We're going to add it. We're going to proceed. Now it's asking us, where do we want our customers to message us? Where do we want to direct our audience to? Now you can decide to choose Messenger and WhatsApp Business at the same time. You can decide to choose both. You can decide to choose both the WhatsApp Business and the Messenger. It's a choice. So when anytime anybody who's interested in your ad, in what you're selling, sees your ad and they want to purchase, or they want to make inquiry, they can message you directly in your inbox, your page inbox, or they message you directly in your WhatsApp Business. You can use both. You can use just WhatsApp Business. So, but in most cases, we use our WhatsApp business more than we use our Facebook Messenger. So it is advisable to use your WhatsApp Business. Now to proceed. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using both. Let's just use both. So let's proceed. Do you want to add your Instagram account? No, we're not going to be adding it. But in case you like to add your Instagram account, just make sure you toggle this button on. Make sure to toggle this button on. Okay, once you toggle it on, Facebook will ask you to connect your Instagram account. So from here, you can connect your Instagram account, but I won't be showing you. Maybe later in the future, you get to see a tutorial where I show you how to do that. Now, our headline, we want to write an headline. Our headline, what do we want? Okay, your headline, are you okay? Do you just want to leave it as chat with us? Your headline. Do you want to leave your headlines at chat? You can change it to get this offer now. Okay, get this offer now. You can say get your 20% discount now. So let me change it to get your 20% discount now. So I'm going to leave it this way. Now we are going to add our primary text. What does that mean? Your primary text is your ad copy. Your primary text is your ad copy. Your primary text is like a message that tells people what you are selling, that tells people, that gives little information about what you're selling, the offer you are giving. Are you giving offer? Are you is it a bonus? Are you doing promo? Like, you just want to give a brief, you want to write a brief text, a brief message about what you are selling. Okay, and whenever you're writing your primary text, your ad copy, make sure you are transparent enough. Make sure you are clear enough. If you're giving discount, make sure you are stating it, that this is a discount, that this is a promo. Do you understand? If you're not giving discount, make sure you are stating it. If it is free delivery, make sure you are stating it. Okay, so let me quickly show you how it. Let me quickly show you an example. So let's say I want to say weekend promo. Weekend promo. You can add an emoji. Okay, you can add an emoji, but don't add too much emoji. Don't do too much. Like I said, weekend promo. Buy any item of your choice. Buy any item of your choice on 20% discount today. Percent discount today. So now I say weekend promo, buy any item of your choice on 20% discount today. Now, let's say I want to add more details. I can say buy 5 and get a free delivery to your doorstep. So you can leave it this way. You can add more. Maybe you want to add more information. Maybe you want to say delivery outside Lagos. is free. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to show you. I'm also going to teach you later on how to create an ad, like a good ad copy, or a compelling ad copy that can get like that attracts prospective customers. Okay, I'm going to show you that later, but not now. It's not going to be the way I've explained it. By now you should know what I mean. You just want to write something that's going to attract the customer. We have all been on Facebook. We have seen advertisements. We have seen on the advert you're going to see text about, okay, hey, buy one get one free, buy this is okay, promo, whatever. So that's a good example. So now let's say we're good to go. Now, special ad category, it says ads related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or political or politics. We are not running this type of ad, so we are not going to toggle this button, or we don't need it, so we proceed. Now it says we should edit our message template. This message template is just like when people click on your WhatsApp button, click on the WhatsApp button on your advertisement, like the automatic message that they will send to you. How do you want it to look like? How do you want it to look like? Let me show you an example. Let's click on edit. Just click on edit right here. Now, do you want people to see the greeting message? Do you want people to say, welcome to, okay, this is your own greeting message. Do you want people to say, can I learn more? Can I learn more about your business? Or can you tell me more about your ad? Or is anyone available to chat? Okay. Can I learn more about your business? So when the customer message you, you're going to get a message that says, can I learn more about your business? Or can you tell me more about your ad? Or is anyone available to chat? Okay, you can change it to whatever you like. Let's say I want to change it to, I am interested and ready to buy your product. And ready to buy your product. You can use I am ready, I'm interested and ready to buy your product. You can change the second question to let's use another one. Let's say I'm ready, but is your price negotiable? Do you understand? You can use any of your choice. You can decide to use just one of it. Okay. Is anyone available to chat? Is okay to you're good to go with that too, but you can change it to anything you prefer. Okay. Now, so this is how it's going to look like. Now, after setting this, let's preview it. Click on preview. So this is a good example. So if anyone messages me on my messenger or my WhatsApp, I'm going to get, they can send me I am interested and ready to buy a product. They can click on it if that's what they want. They can click on I am ready, but I was going to say, is your price negotiable? So when they click on it, that is what you're going to get. So this way you know what to reply, you know the type of reply to give the customer. Do you understand? Now let's go back. So let's go back. We're done with this part. Let's go back. Okay. Now we're going to choose a placement. Okay. Now to choose a placement, choosing a placement means we want to choose where we want our advertisement to appear. Now let me show you an example. If we leave it at automatic, it means Facebook will choose placement for you. Okay, and Facebook may choose where you are not interested in. So it's always good to use manual. It is recommended to use automatic, but it will cost you more money. But let's say you have a budget, so you're going to be using the manual. So click on manual right here to choose a placement by yourself. So now you want to first of all choose the device type. Do you want your advert to show on a laptop, on a PC, or on a mobile phone? In most cases, people don't check advert on laptop. So like 95% of people who check advert is always on their mobile device, on their smartphone. So you want to check to make sure you are choosing only the mobile. So untick the desktop and leave it at mobile. Click on done. That's the first thing. The second thing is you want to choose platforms. Now, do you want your advert to show on all Facebook placement. Now click on to change it, click on it right here, click on all. Now, do you want your advert to show on Facebook feeds? Do you know you know Facebook feeds is when you're on your Facebook account, when you're scrolling, that's a feed. You understand? That's Facebook feeds. When you're scrolling, you get to see different advertisements. Do you want people to see your advert on Facebook feeds? Do you want people to see your advert in like on articles, on instant articles? Let's say people post an article on Facebook. Okay, when people are reading the article, sometimes when you're reading articles on Facebook, an advertisement will just pop up. That's a good example. Do you want Facebook to show advertisement in stream videos? Do you want Facebook to show advertisement in marketplace? Facebook have a marketplace, in case you don't know. Do you want Facebook to show advertisement in stories, like in Facebook stories? Do you want Facebook to show advertisement in video feeds or Facebook Business Explorer? All these are going to cost you money. So for now, as a beginner, as a newbie, you don't need, just click on, we are only going to be using the Facebook feed. So untick the other ones, untick the other placement and leave it, and leave the Facebook feed only. Now, click here to proceed. Click here to proceed. Now, do we want our advert to show on Instagram? No. If you want your advert to show on Instagram, just click on the Instagram. Then if you only want your advert to show on the Instagram feed, then untick the rest. If you want it to show in the Explore or in the story, you can add it to it. But if you don't want it to show in the Explore or in the story, you can choose the feed alone. So to do that, you have to untick the Explore and the stories. If you don't want it to show on Instagram at all, you have to untick all of it. So I'm going to untick everything. So we proceed. So now, do we want Facebook to show our advertisement in audience network? I'm going to explain all this later, but for now, I'm just going to concentrate. But because for now, as a newbie, you don't need all this. So let's just go back. Let's untick all. Okay, in Messenger, no, we don't want Facebook to show our advertisement in Messenger, so go back. So now we're done for this part. So once you're done, click on this check mark here to proceed. So this is how our advertisement will look like when other people see our advertisement. Okay, now to message you, they just need to click on send message. Now if they want to message you, they have to click on send message right here. So once they click on send message, Facebook will give them two options: the Messenger and the WhatsApp. Let's say we did not choose the Messenger, we only choose the WhatsApp. Facebook will only show them the WhatsApp button. Okay, so it's as simple as that. But if you remember, we choose both Messenger and WhatsApp, so that's why it just comes up as a send message. So once a customer clicks on send message, they're going to get the WhatsApp option and the Messenger option. So this is how it's going to look like out there. You can see we wrote our ad copy. You can see here we wrote weekend promo, buy an item of your choice on 20% discount today. Just click to see more. Once they click to see more, they get to see all other text. Like they get to see your ad copy in full. Okay, now we want to proceed. So this is okay. From here, let's proceed. Just click on this button here. Just click here to proceed. Okay, now here we want to choose an audience. We want to select an audience. We want to choose the people we want Facebook to show our advertisement to. Okay, now we can create an audience. To create an audience, you want to click on create audience. We want to create our audience. Now if you do not want to create an audience, you want Facebook to choose audience for you, you can just proceed. But let me show you how this works. Now to create your audience, click on create new audience right here. Click on create new audience. So now who do we want to show our advertisement to? What are we selling? The product we are selling, is it only meant for men or for women? Like, is it meant for men or women, or is it meant like, can both gender buy what we are selling? If we are advertising a product that only a man can buy, then you click on man. If it is what only a woman can buy, you click on the woman. If it's all gender, you click on all gender. Okay, in most cases you want to leave it at all gender. Okay, now do you want to include location? Where do you want Facebook to show your advertisement? Do you want your Facebook to show your advertisement in US or in UK or in other country? Apparently you don't want that, so you want to change it to your location. Okay, to make your business easy. You don't want to choose a destination you can't deliver to. So now, to change your location, click on here to change your location. So you're going to change it to do this. You have to make sure your location is reviewed. You have to make sure you turn on your location, the location on your device. So now we want to change the country. Just click on country, click on edit. No, we don't want to use United States. Let's search for location. Let's type Nigeria. So do you want Facebook to show your advert to people all over Nigeria, or do you want to choose a specific location? You can choose Lagos. Let's say I'm in Lagos, so I'm going to change and type Lagos, Nigeria. So it says, so yeah, click on Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, now I'm going to be using Lagos, Nigeria, so I'm going to tick on Lagos. Since I'm going to be advertising to only the people in Lagos, so I'm going to tick on Lagos. Then I'll go back. So now I choose Lagos. No, I'm going to edit. I'm going to delete United States. So I've deleted United States. To delete, just click on edit, click on what you want to delete, the location you want to delete, and click on delete. So you click on delete right here. So that's it. On tick, let's go back. So we are only advertising to people in Lagos. Okay, so now we want to exclude locations. We don't need to do that, since we are choosing only Lagos, to advertise in Lagos only. So the gender, you want to leave it at 13 to 65. If the item you're selling is not for people under 18, okay, you can decide to change it to 18. You can, like, if you are selling a product that only people from 15 years old can buy, then change it to 15 years old. If you're selling a product that only people from age 20 to 30 can buy, change the age. Okay, just move this button around here. Just move this around to get your age preference. Okay, now gender, we're done with this, and then let's scroll down. For now, you don't need this. Let's go down. So let's tick. Let's use the check button to proceed. We're almost done. Okay, you can see what I was saying earlier. Facebook is trying to tell us that, look what it says here. It says ads for messages objective cannot be shown to people younger than 18 according to our ad guidelines. Okay, it says edit the age targeting for your audience to continue. So now let's go back to the audience, click on it, edit. Let's click on edit audience. Let's change it again. Let's quickly update this. Let's choose Lagos. So I'm going to be quick with this. I already show you how to do that. So choose Lagos. So we choose Lagos. Now let's change the age range to 18. Now it already changed automatically, so it like Facebook already changed it automatically. So we are targeting from 18 years old to 65. So we're targeting all gender, that is both men and women. Okay, so now let's proceed. Let's use it. Yes, let's use the check button to proceed. Let's proceed. So now I want you to pay attention here. So here is where we set our campaign budget. Okay, now we want to, how much do we want to spend daily? How much are you ready to spend? Are you willing to spend daily? Do you want to spend 1,000 naira daily on your advertisement? Do you want to spend 2,000 naira? Do you want to spend 5k? Do you want to spend 10k? You can spend as much as you want. Okay, but as a newbie, I always advise to start with $5. Okay, $5 is a good way to start. That is, you can start with 1,500 naira, 2k, or 1k. So let's say we want to be spending 1k per day. So just click on here to change this to 1,000 naira. Change it to 1k. You can change it to 2k. Okay, you can change it to any amount you like, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using 1,000 naira. So do you want it to run continuously? We don't want it to run continuously. We want it to run just once in a day. So once we add 1k and the 1k has been exhausted, the advertisement will stop automatically. So you want to uncheck the run ad continuously. So do you want your ad to start immediately? Of course, yes. You can click on start now. If you want it to start later, you click on start later and you schedule the time you want it to start. But we're going to be using the start now button for now. Now, do you want it to run for 7 days? If you want it to run for 7 days, then you have to add 1,000 naira times 7. That is 7,000 naira. But we just want it to run for a day. Let's say we want it to run for 7 days. We're going to have to change the budget here to 7,000 naira. That is 7 days. But let's say we want it to run for a day. We're going to leave it. We're going to change it to 1 day, to a day. Now to do that, just click on the minus here. Click on the minus here to change it to a day, and we're good to go. Now the delivery, let's click on the delivery to see what we have. So apparently you don't need to do anything here. So let's go back. Just leave it at default. So now we are done creating our first Facebook advertisement. So guys, once you're done, just click here. Just click here and you're done. It's as easy and as simple as that. So this is how our advertisement will look like on Facebook. Okay, you can see. So now let's save it. To save it, just click on save right here to save it. So once you save it, you're good to go. Now, once you save it, Facebook, you are going to have to wait for at least 8 hours or 5 hours or 24 hours. Why? Facebook needs to review your advertisement. So Facebook want to check if your advertisement goes along with their community guidelines. So they will review your ads. So once they review your ads, sometimes it takes not less than 2 hours. Once they review your ad is going to be up and running. Then just in the next 1 hour to 2 hours to 3 hours, like, you start getting messages from customers who are interested in your product. So thank you guys and have a good day.